What's going on, team? Lots to talk about today. We have tariff Trump talks going on. All right. So if you think that the market is going up, guys, don't forget, okay? Always look left. And this is what I've been saying for a while. Check it out, okay? We are still not out of this bear market, guys. We just started. We went under, okay? Look at that. We got some bullish momentum detected on NQ. All right. So we went under the 200, guys. We went under the 50. We're under the 20. And we are trying to make it back up. Okay. And we just barely got up there today, but it was a nice run. Okay. But don't forget, we are still headed downwards, guys. This is not changed at all. So be very careful with your entries. All right. Now, as far as the intraday is concerned, guys, we did have an amazing run up on SPY, SPX, QQQ, whichever one you are playing. Okay. And we did have some super put power going on today on the 5-minute. Check that out right up there, guys. And I'm going to change this up a little bit here. I want to show you guys, we had a super call there. We had another super call there. And that just ended up being nice money for everybody. Okay. Now, one of the things that you need to look at, whichever indicator you guys are using, okay, in the market, guys, I don't know what you use, but you can use this one for free. Okay. You get it 1 month for free, guys. Look at that. That was a $7 move up. Okay. And this was a very nice, healthy $4 up. Now on the way down, we did have a, like I said, a super put, guys. Okay, I was playing SPX on these things and it just turned out to be very nice for me today. Okay, but I still want to go over your actual targets, guys. Okay, what's happening next with NVIDIA and all that good stuff. But look at this, okay? This is the way you use this indicator, guys. The white cloud in the background tells me where we are with the 50 and the 200. And if you guys took my courses, you know that anytime we get above this cloud, guys, okay, it becomes a major move and it starts becoming very bullish, okay, in the market. Except tomorrow we have some really bad news and the market's not going to like it. They tried to pump it today, but traditionally this will keep us going up because once we go above the actual cloud, okay, this always happens, guys. We go up, we'll pull back, and then we take off again, okay? But that is not going to happen this time. Don't be fooled, guys. Do not jump into the market until this whole tariff thing is worked out. All right, guys, switching over a little bit here to QQQ, and you guys can see that we have the same, whoops, look at that. My little thing's going crazy. All right. You can see we had the same thing going on here, guys. Just like a SPY, SPX, whichever one you're playing. Okay. This is going on just like in NVIDIA. We had that put signal and we are staying under the 20-day exponential moving average. And we actually rejected there, guys. And then, of course, we are headed down. Don't forget, guys, this is a downtrend, okay? Don't get into longs. Don't think that, yes, you got it. You figured it out. You're still under the 200 cloud, guys, okay? So be very careful with this stuff. This could wreck accounts, okay? Now, I did tell you guys that if you watch my weekend video, guys, we were looking at longs with QQQ. I got the signal here on the 30-minute. And of course, during this trend, just like the other ones, right? We pulled back, guys, and then we started coming back up. And I want to share some of those findings that we talked about, guys. Okay. Now, anytime we start coming up, guys, okay, you have to look for your support. Check that out. All right. So we had a nice support line there. Let me blow that up a little bit so you can check it out. So that was one support. I do not want to add text there, but it's still coming up. All right. Then we had a second support, guys. Okay. So you have to understand how the market works, guys. You get a call signal and we start moving up. Okay. we're going to pull back, and we had 2 pullbacks. Check it out. I'll show you with my little, where is it? My little trusty arrows here. Okay, so we pull back, guys. We come down every single time, and then we come up. Okay, if you're a day trader, okay, on the intraday, guys, you play your puts here. Okay, now let's move this over to the 5-minute time frame so you see what this looks like, guys. Okay, so this is exactly how I trade QQQ. I look for my call signals, and when I start getting these put signals, guys, or a sell signal on the dominator assistant, I get out and I will enter actual puts, except when I get those long signals, right, on the 30-minute, I'll hang in there, but I will play puts. I will keep my calls, but I will play puts every single time. And then I'll go munch on SPY and SPX as well, like it did today, guys. And it turned out to be a very nice trade for me. All right, now I have a little snippet here for you guys. Okay, so this is what I purchased here, guys. And you can see that I bought 10 longs, okay? And off that signal, they were up 74%. And just for transparency purposes, guys, that's my account, the bull ring, and it's the live one. It's not a simulated, it's not paper, okay? And because of what's going on with the tariffs, guys, I already jumped into 2 strangles here, okay? And I also got a bear spread with SPX because I think that we're going to go down in the next few days, and I want to monetize off of it, guys. Okay, now understand that when you use this indicator, guys, okay, I buy time. I like to grab 7 days, maybe 10 days, just depending on the strength of the move. Okay, if I don't feel it's a strength coming, then I just buy regular 0 DTEs, and I'll show you guys that in another video to help you out with your trading. Now, if you like trading NVIDIA, okay, I do have people that love it, so I gave them targets, guys, and the target was 112. Now we came short of that target, but we did start down here, guys, and this has been a nice little run up. Okay, we did have a lot of resistance with this line, and it looks like we came back down on it right in here, guys. And guess what that means? If you're a trader and you understand bullish moves, guys, this is a bullish move. Okay, they found support right in here. We also found some support down here. Now, when a stock, okay, let me draw this out for you. When the stock comes back to a actual resistance area and it bounces off of it, okay, that is super bullish, guys. Okay, and if we didn't have tariff news tomorrow, I would tell you that we would pull back just a little bit here, and I would almost guarantee you we were gonna go past, okay, past, what happened to my arrowhead? We're gonna go past that goal, guys. Okay, now we are probably not going to reach that. We're probably not going to get to that 116. I wish we did. It'd be nice to have a rally and to look at potentially the market having one more bull run, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. If it does, consider it an amazing bonus. But for now, guys, I'm going to draw this out here for you. This is around the 110 area. And I don't think we're going to make it past that. Okay, I think in the morning when we wake up, it's going to be ugly. Now, if it's not, cool. Okay, let's play the clouds. Let's play the call signals, the put signals. And that's what I tell everybody, guys. Okay, if you're along, if you've got shares in NVIDIA, I can tell you that this is a place where I would consider selling calls if tomorrow we start dipping. Okay. If you do not have any long shares, guys, it doesn't matter to me at all. It does not matter to me at all. Any of the news happening, guys, I play my signals. That's it. Okay, doesn't matter if we're going down. Doesn't matter if we're going up. Look at that. I just play the signals and that's it. I'll make my money. Okay, if you're holding shares, consider selling calls. If you don't understand how to do that, guys, I'm going to leave you a link below. I've got courses. You can come into my Facebook group for free and I will teach you guys. I will give you the one-on-ones that you're probably not getting right now. Okay, I'll give you some quick tips. Okay, and I'll give you my ideas and what I think is going to happen during the day, guys, when I'm trading. Okay, if you're trading by yourself and you're not making money, you need to jump into a free room, guys. Okay, now tomorrow when the market opens, and if everybody thinks that we are falling, and you need to get into a put just like we did here, I'm going to tell you right now, be careful. Do not do that. If you do not know how to jump in after the signal is on, guys, you need to know how to do this. Okay, don't forget, I've placed that in many videos. Okay, this is what I like to do when I scalp, guys. Okay, you can do that too, but be very careful to understand, if you don't break any of those support lines, I will not jump into a put. And I want to say thank you, and I appreciate all the likes, guys, and the messages you sent and the support. Okay, I will keep bringing you these videos, guys, and don't forget, you can try the Dominator free for 30 days. Until the next video, guys, don't forget, you got some free resources. See you on the next one.